Good morning, everybody. Today I be try to crush all those rocks, but I be using ball mill to crush the powder. So right now I be crushing to like this size. It's like not a lot, but like almost half-inch size, and then this everything I put in the ball mill and be spinning for a few minutes, and we'll see how everything works. Here I still have some rocks from yesterday. They was wet. Now a little bit dry it out, and we'll see what they have inside and how they can crush it. Because main problem for us is to crush the rocks. It takes a lot of time and needs some equipment, which one we don't have sometimes. So I have a ball mill, but that ball mill need to be sent to the ball mill smaller size, like a quarter-inch, half-inch maximum, and then we'll see how everything works. So if this works, then I be crushing to that size, and we'll see what results I get. Okay, the crushing not hard, just little bit, hit with the hammer and hit little bit more to get quarter-inch or half-inch size, and we will see what we get it. Okay, let me work right now till I finish with these rocks, and then we put in a ball mill and see what we get. I crushed almost more than half. Left those bigger ones, but they looks like they not have a gold. They looks like empty ones. I crush all ugly looking ones, which ones can have a gold. So this is the last two rocks I be crushing. They breaks very fast. It's no problem. But if you have a rock crusher, at least you can get like half-inch material. It's better. Okay, that way you can crush it a little bit better than looks like this kind of rocks I crushing. This pirate, I can see the pirates shiny. So let's see, put everything in ball mill and we will see what's happened. Okay, so let's fill it up. I don't think so I need to put all, because when it's a lot, it's a little bit harder to crush. So I put like half of this material, and we'll see how everything works. Okay, one more, it'll be enough. And close the hole. Okay, this is very good idea with this. Charlie did a good job on this one. So now this part for next. So let's put it here. Let me put everything is ready. Let's go. That's like 20 minutes. I decided to take some crushed material, use classifiers, and see what size I got it, and I need to put rest inside to crush it, and we pan that little one and we'll see what we got it. Let me take it out. I took it out. Let's see how much we got it. 100 mesh. Okay. Okay. And this is 100 mesh. Let's classify. Not bad amount of 100 mesh. This is like 50 mesh, and those what's left. So right now everything I'm putting back to the container and adding what's left in the bucket. You see how much is already crushed. So let's put it back. And adding from the bucket. Let me put it. Spin. This one I go Spanish. We'll see, do we get something? Panning going fast, and if there is gold, we will see it in a few minutes. Pirate is in those rocks. I have pirate, so the pirate protects the gold from escaping. If there is gold, that gold is on the bottom on this pan. Cover it in some kind of pirate or something. So look how little left. In a few minutes do we have gold. I see a lot of pirate. Let me pan it properly with 2 hands. Now I can show you some gold. You see the little pieces? That is my gold. Okay, well look how small they are. But a lot. It's like 1,000 of them. Okay, I can use the ball mill for recovering gold. All those pieces is a gold, guys. You see the yellow? But it's very little amount. Look, compared with the finger, how small this thing is. Imagine that over here I see the microscopic gold everywhere. Not even my camera can even show you colors, you know. But over here is a gold. You can see not even yellow color. Good. Okay. So we can use that ball mill for recovering the gold. Yeah, but this is very little amount. If you can found some pocket of gold, then you can get a lot more gold. I will show you next time I go get some rich ore from my place where I know, and we'll see what kind of gold we can get it. One problem is the noise. My neighbors don't love me anymore, maybe after this. I want to do nothing chemical right now. I just take a mercury and collect everything and check did everything be collected, and then I go crush rest one material, the pan again, and we'll see what we get it. Okay, and I can see I need to take it out. I can see gold on the top of this. Clean gold goes inside. Not all clean goes on the top. So okay, so let me put everything back in the bottle and continue. I need to check with microscope. Do I see any gold left in this place? So that's the easiest way to collect a gold. Okay, I'm taking out. Look, this is what's left. It's amalgam. You see? You can take it with the hands, maybe not even. Okay. Oh, this is a gold amalgam. Okay. So that way it's easy. No wonder why old timers use the mercury. It is so easy to recover that gold. So like I say, I put some hydrochloric acid and I wash it, this material, for like a minute or so, and then I put mercury again, and just right now I can tell you that there's no gold left. Everything is taken. So not even after ball mill need to wash that material with the acids to order to clean the gold, and just then gold sticks to mercury very well. Okay, so right now I go get another one, rocks crushed, and we pan again and we'll see what we get it. And this is the rest. I took it out. So this is what's left. I think if I spin it for another hour, all this be crushed. So, but I don't want to make a noise anymore. My neighbors, I need to respect neighbors, and I need to make some kind of noise protection box. So this is today was experiment. I'm happy with the results. This is second one, and this is already how much I have in this one, 100 mesh. So let me classify, and then I go pan it. Okay. Well, this is second pan. A lot more material than first time, because I was keeping a little bit longer. I think ball mill works, and just need to crush to 1/4 size, and then you don't have any problems with this. Okay, why I don't put the jet dry? Everybody want me to put the jet dry, but I know how to pan it, and I have a pirate inside, so that pirate protects that gold. Gold is already in the bottom. You believe it or not, gold sinks to the bottom faster than everything, and then goes pirates, which one covers that gold. And what right now I'm washing out is just regular sand, and you see I have a lot of pirate on the bottom, so that pirate keeps that gold from escaping. When you don't have pirate and you don't have black sand, then you need to put a jack dry. Okay, but I'm not playing. I'm just working with very little amounts, so I don't think so I'm losing something here. And all that dirt what it is, I be doing another experiment. I be using Echo Goldex to recover super small gold, which one not even you can see. Okay, so right now I need 2 hands to pan it nicely, and then I show you results. I look in the microscope, I see the same amount of gold, not even maybe more. So right now I went to another place where it's clean water, and I want to nicely recover everything, and I show you that gold. Okay, let me pan it with 2 hands, concentrate all the gold, because right now you can't see nothing. You can't see nothing because pirates is covering that gold. But when you look in microscope, you see how still pirates is big. Okay, now you see the gold. You see, this is second time, and that way I'm using mercury to recover the gold, because that gold is covered in pirate. It's very hard to how say it, to remove it. So that use mercury. Mercury takes all the gold. So right now I be collecting the same gold with the mercury, and you see how many those pieces. This is our gold, guys, what we working for. And ball mill helps me a lot, because I can work on bigger amounts, and I can recover little bit more gold. When you're working with the hands, it's hard to recover. You see that between the pirates is a gold, here gold everywhere, but to escape that gold from the pirates, I use mercury. It collects all this gold. So let me put the mercury. You want to wash that pirate is so hard to remove it if you don't use acid. So mercury is the main thing which one can remove that gold. And you see right away on the surface of mercury, you can see those microscopic pieces. All those is a gold. You see? Okay, so let me recover everything, and all those microscopic will not barely you see is sticks to the mercury. If you look in microscope, you still see the gold particles. Then you need to wash it with acid. Last time I used hydrochloric acid. You see on mercury, that is a gold. Of course, my camera not showing real colors, but all those pieces is a gold. Okay, some bigger clean gold is already inside the mercury. So let me work for a few minutes, and I remove it back to the bottle. I get little hydrochloric acid and put it in the plate, and let him eat that oil or whatever is on that gold, what is not stick to mercury. Okay, and hold it for a few minutes till everything cleans, and then I put mercury back, and then all gold be taken. Okay, so let's put it back in the beaker. We reuse it, and this is wash, and put the mercury back. After now, there be no gold left. Okay, I'll be looking in microscope. If I didn't see gold, I tell you that my result is good. I can see all mercury, clean mercury inside the mercury, clean gold inside the mercury, and everything else stick to the surface. That's it. What I can say, ball mill is working and I like it. That ball mill lets me collect little bit more gold than usually I can do it. So very soon you guys will see little bit more gold. So I'm happy today. I got some gold from rocks which ones don't even think they have a gold. So you see how it is with gold. You don't know when you found the gold and in which rock. So you need to collect, crush it to the powder. And just when you crush the powder, that gold becomes visible. Okay? Because when you crush the quartz and pyrites to the size of gold, then all those materials like quartz and pyrites goes away, and gold always is more heavy than everything in there. It stays on the bottom and it's not crushing, it gets flat. When you use a ball mill, gold becomes flat, and then you not even see more easy that gold. So thanks for watching. I wish you like it, and see you next time. Okay, bye bye.